game's over.
Now, without further ado, let the KC Grand Championship Finals begin!
Stop the duel! You know, I promised myself I wouldn't duel in this tournament. But since I have the chance to embarrass you, those plans have changed!
Kaiba's gonna duel Zigfried!
Here, hold this.
Yes, sir.
This shouldn't take too long.
But who should go first? I guess there's only one fair way to decide.
My move!
What?
I summon Z Metal Tank to the field! In defense mode!
Way to go, Seto! Nice move. He totally caught Zigfried off guard.
It's Dark Dragon! Then I place one card face down, go! X-Head Cannon in attack mode! Reveal face down card, flat level 4! Each of us is able to choose a 4-star monster from our deck and summon it directly to the field. I choose my Y Dragon Head!
And I think I shall summon...
As president of Kaiba Corp, I declare this invalid! All right, Zigfried, the party's over. First, I activate my Pot of Greed magic card. That lets me draw 5 cards. Now, show yourself, Blue Eyes White Dragon!
You sound so confident. But I'm afraid those little mechanical toys of yours are nothing but insignificant seedlings.
I'll remove my X-Head Cannon, my Y Dragon Head, and my Z Metal Tank, so I can summon this! Come forth now! Obelisk the Tormentor!
No!
White Lightning!
He totally caught Zigfried off guard. That's my bro! Always one step ahead!
If you lose, you disappear, never to be heard from again.
Very well! Let's see. Give a big Kaiba-land welcome to Valkyrie Zwei, Valkyrie Öster, and Valkyrie Dritt.
He's cheating! Yeah!
As president of Kaiba Corp, I declare this invalid!
No, you can't!
I just did. Look, that lame strategy may have worked against a dork like Wheeler, but I'm in a different league. Once again, you're left with nothing, Zigfried. I place this face down. That ends my turn.
I activate the magic card, Pot of Greed!
Well, not if I activate this card, Graceful Charity!
Oh no!
That allows me to draw 3 new cards.
Awesome! He avoided Zigfried's magic card! When I defeat you here today, the world will see that the era of Kaiba Corp is over!
I'll take it from here. First, I activate my Card of Demise, which allows me to summon this, my Chaos Emperor Dragon! My Chaos Dragon special ability sends every card on the field and in our hands to the graveyard.
That's true, but there's one problem. You need to give up 1,000 of your life points.
It looks like the same old story. I rise to the top and you get lost in my shadow. I activate my special ability. Now each of us can bring back any of our monsters that have been removed from the game. That gives me 5 dragons. Take it away, Blue Eyes! Now, Blue Eyes White Dragon, it's your turn to attack! White Lightning!
over.
Look, face the facts, Zigfried. Your life points hit 0. That's about as over as it gets.